Àgbájọwọ́ la fi ń sọ̀yà. Ọwọ́ kan ò gbẹ́rù dórí. This literally means that it takes group work to do things, and that one hand doesn't lift the luggage to one's head. So try, back then, let's say you had to fetch water from the well, you know, and then and then when you fetch the water, you're like, oh, you're asking someone, please help me. That means like, let's put our hands together and put it on my head, you know. So you're not putting it on your head alone. Like it takes a collective effort to do that. That's what it means. So this is also saying that it takes teamwork to be able to do something, especially something that is big, something that is huge, something that is massive. Most of the time it takes teamwork. It takes more than one person. It's going to be difficult, if at all possible, for one person to do certain things. Yeah, so that's what that means. That's what it means. Or what kan gbẹ́rù dórí. Like, it's really difficult to use one hand, really.